Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we meet again in middle test of extensive reading. Today discussion is about review of international journal, newspaper and magazine. The first, I would like to review an international journal. The first is a title. The title of this journal is Influence of English Language Teachers' Behavior on Secondary School Learners' Verbal Communicative Abilities in the Classroom, published by European Centre for Research, Training and Development UK. In the second, B. Abstract. In the abstract, there are keywords, namely learner verbal communication and teacher language behavior that is in accordance with the variables contained in the title. There is also a theory used, namely the theory of Jaime, 1972. Research design has also been mentioned in the abstract. So in my opinion, this abstract is very complete. And the next is introduction. In this introduction, many experts say that the lesson is centered on the teacher and the teacher who controls the lesson. As Jugunnath recognizes that the essence of learning is communication. English facilitates the interaction process because it is a teaching medium. Students are expected to be able to communicate verbally. Class communicative ability is believed to be an important component in the process of second language acquisition. Class-based research is to investigate the factors that affect students' verbal communication in the classroom. In Kenya, it has been observed that students are unable to communicate in English. Gatumbi shows that students in Kenya secondary school speak English standard English only when they are in their classroom. And the D theory use. Jame's 1972 theory of communicative competence was used as a basis of the theoretical framework. In the E methodology, the study adopted a descriptive survey research design approach. With the design allows researchers to obtain opinions from teachers and students. Then, from the survey method is used, explained by some experts such as Wirsman 1985 says that any study that deals with how people feel or behave is considered a survey. This study was conducted in Kericho County, Kiplekian District in Kenya. The study population comprised of 600 learners and 30 teachers of English from 15 schools. Purposive and Statifield random sampling techniques were used to select for secondary school. The sampling technique ensures representation of all groups of students, hence most corresponding. The sample of the study comprised of 4 schools, from 3 students in each school and 8 teachers of English from a selection of boys, girls, and a mixed secondary school in the division. 100 Form 3 students and 8 teachers were randomly selected to fill in the questionnaires. The findings were represented in frequency tables. Next is result and discussion. The results can be seen in the table. The teacher's behavior shows how the lesson can occur. So the teacher must create balancing during the lesson to encourage students to talk a lot. The teacher's disposition in class is very important. Students also learn to imitate. If teachers cannot speak the language, they can at least expect their students to speak it. The teacher must provide the stimulation and environment needed to enable students to practice the language. During the observation class, it was found that most of the lessons were dominated by teacher talk. Most class discussions are initiated by teacher. This gives learners limited opportunities to practice language in actual situations. The teachers said that they wanted to use as much discussion as possible but lacked time because there was much to discuss. Next is conclusion. Most teachers only use English in the classroom. They should use it inside and outside the classroom so that students imitate their habits to frequently communicate in English inside and outside the classroom. The last is reference is www.eajournals.org, and the second is the review of newspaper. The title of the newspaper is the Jakarta Post, date March 5, 2020. The title of the content is Unresolved Colonial Past Clothes Dutch Royal Visit by Aprisa Pinandita and Julia Sri Perdani. And the B is important things. King of the Netherlands, Willem Alexander, will visit Indonesia, more precisely in Jakarta next week on the 9th of March, accompanied by Queen Maxima, the minister, and a delegation of 130 people. On March 10, the delegation will conduct a 3-day visit in several major cities in Indonesia. According to Hans de Boer, president of Dutch Business, if you want to improve and develop projects, it requires commitment. Trade between Indonesia and the Netherlands is now declining. During the meeting, Willem Alexander underlined the importance of a visit to Indonesia. The king and the queen will go to the cemetery to honor the fallen heroes, and President Jokowi will entertain them at the Bogor Palace, followed by an official meeting. The king met Sultan Hamengkubuwono X during a visit to Yogyakarta and continued his visit to Palangkaraya and Lake Toba. But Jakarta announced the existence of COVID-19, so it triggered a crowd. The Westerling tragedy was a series of mass killings in South Sulawesi between December 1946 and February 1947. No reigning monarch has ever offered an apology for the violence that occurred during the last state visit by a Dutch monarch in 1995. And the last is review of magazine Cycling Weekly, date April 30 and 2020. This is a magazine, the title of magazine, the kind of magazine. The title of the content is COVID-19 spell catastrophe for U23 ranks. The pandemic has had a severe effect on the changes of fourth-year riders moving up. Page 4 and 5. The important things are riders known as U23 or fourth-year riders have their last chance to be affiliated with UCI, whether Pro Continental and Continental World Tour. Because of the scarcity of racers, it would be a disaster if they had to ride for a contract this year. Some riders have pre-contracted and rested in 2021. The 2022 season is important for them to achieve their ambition. Some teams will back down, but the problem is that somehow it doesn't affect female drivers because there are no U23 women. Aware of the career impact that would threaten motorists, and then the age limit was expanded to U24 to allow motorists an additional year. Director of Lux Cycling, the team that promoted World Junior Champion Quinn Simmons to track Segafredo in the season, will allow young drivers to be hit by a pandemic. Gaining a contract will be rarely impossible for U23 riders. Okay, I think that's all about review of international journal, newspaper, and the magazine. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.